And part 3, I'm going to go continue on with my blue wings. So I added a little bit of white to my blue. And then I'm going to bring that down. And then I'm going to add a little bit of white to the purple. There we go. I don't have to be too careful with my paint at this point because I'm just filling in the space, getting color everywhere that I want it. Maybe lighten it up a little bit with a little white. There we go. Good. Now, wipe off the brush. Get that blue off of there. Now I want to go to the red. So I'm going to take a little bit of the red and a little bit of the red. Having trouble grabbing it. There we go. And then a little bit of the white. And if you don't mix too much white with it, it'll still remain red and not get too pink. That's a little pink. It's okay. There we go. So just fill in the white. The red. There we go. Fill in the red. Fill in the red. There we go. Now I want to go back to my purple. I want to go a little purple on the inside of the wing and blend it into the red. And a little purple on the inside of, and that's fine. Okay. It's a little messy. My blends are not blending smoothly from purple to red, but that's okay. It's just the first layer, first coat. So the last thing I want to do on my first layer is put in the body color, butterfly body color, which is just straight up black. And I don't care about the eyes right now. And I don't even care about the antenna because I can do that with a smaller brush. All right, and there it is. There's your first layer. Congratulations, you made it to the first layer.